Student, myself Anil Dobria. Today we will do exercise 2.2, and what is the question number 1 in this exercise? Prove that 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Let x is equal to sin theta we will take. So in last lecture I told you that if x is equal to sin theta, then theta is equal to sin inverse x will come. So left hand side we are taking sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. We are putting value of x from here, so it is coming sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So this is the formula of sin 3 theta. We studied this formula in class 11, and I attached all the formulas in my last lecture. You can check from there. Sin inverse sin 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. Now we will put value of theta, so it will be 3 sin inverse x, which is equal to right hand side. So 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube will come. Now question number 2, we have proved that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. X belongs to 1 upon 2 comma 1 in close bracket. So let x is equal to cos theta we are taking, theta is equal to cos inverse x will come, and what you are taking will according to question. If you have learned formula, you will easily understand that what you have to take. So cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x is equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos inverse cos 3 theta. Formula is this, so it will equal to 3 theta. So we will put value of theta, so it will become 3 cos inverse x, and that is left hand side is equal to right hand side will come. Now question number 3, we have prove that tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 upon 24 is equal to tan inverse 1 upon 2. So we will take left hand side of it, then we will apply this formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So we applied this formula. So after solving, tan inverse 125 upon 250 is coming. After cancel out, tan inverse 1 upon 2 is coming. So it is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved. If you have learned formula in inverse trigonometry, then you can do questions very easily. Question number 4, we have proved that 2 tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 is equal to tan inverse 31 upon 17. So left hand side we have taken 2 tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. So 2 tan inverse 1 upon 2 tan inverse x formula will be applied here. So 2 tan inverse x formula is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So tan inverse 2 into 1 upon 2 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2 whole square plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. So tan inverse 1 upon when we are simplifying this, so tan inverse 4 upon 3 will come here. You can write tan inverse 4 upon 3. So then we will apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. So tan inverse 31 upon 17 will come, that is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it is proved. Question number 5, we have write the following in the simplest form. Tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x we have. So let x is equal to tan theta we are taking, then theta is equal to tan inverse x. We have tan inverse under root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. So tan inverse under root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So tan inverse under root sec square theta minus 1 upon tan theta will come. Tan inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So we will change sec theta into 1 upon cos theta and tan theta into sin theta upon cos theta. After simplifying, tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta will come. Then we will put formula of cos 2 theta. Cos theta. We will put formula of cos theta. Cos theta has 3 formulas. We will apply this formula. Tan inverse 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 will apply, and sin 2 theta formula we will write 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So after simplifying, this will come tan inverse sin theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2 tan inverse tan theta upon 2, and that is equal to theta upon 2. So tan inverse x upon 2 will come, and this is the simplest form. So this is our answer. Question number 6, tan inverse 1 upon under root x square minus 1, where mod of x greater than 1. let x is equal to cosec theta we are taking. So theta is equal to cosec inverse x. Tan inverse 1 upon under root cosec square x minus 1. So tan inverse 1 upon under root cot square theta we can write it. So tan inverse 1 upon cot theta. So 1 upon cot theta will be tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta is equal to cosec inverse x, which is the simplest form of this question. In between all the questions are of similar type. Now we are taking question number 10. Tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square. So we will put x is equal to a tan theta is equal to tan inverse x upon a. So we have tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square. So tan inverse 3a square a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta upon a cube minus 3a square tan square theta. So after simplifying, a cube is coming in numerator and denominator both. So it will become 3 tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So this is the formula of tan 3 theta. So 3 theta will come. We will put value of tan theta, theta. So it will be 3 tan inverse x upon a, which is the simplest form of this question. Question number 11 is find the value of tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 upon 2. So first of all we will let y is equal to sin inverse 1 upon 2. Then what will come? Sin y is equal to 1 upon 2 will come, and 1 upon 2 is the value of sin pi by 6. So on comparing it, y is equal to pi by 6 it is. Now we have this given question, tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 upon 2. Now we will put value of sin inverse 1 upon 2. So it is value sin inverse 1 upon 2 value is y. So we are putting y here. Now we will put value of y also. It is pi by 6. So after cancel out, tan inverse 2 cos pi by 3 is left. Now tan inverse tan pi by 3's value is 1 upon 2. So after cancelling out, tan inverse 1 is coming, and tan inverse 10 pi by 4. 1 is value of 10 pi by 4. So on by formula, pi by 4 will be the. Find the value of cot tan inverse a plus cot inverse a. So student, we all knows in formulas tan inverse a plus cot inverse a is equal to pi by 2. So we will put value of these two. It is pi by 2. So cot pi by 2 will be equal to 0. Now question number 13 we have find the value of tan 1 upon 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. So put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta we will put. So theta is equal to tan inverse x, and y is equal to we are letting tan phi. So phi is equal to tan inverse y. Now we will take left hand side. So it is tan 1 upon 2 sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. So now we will put value of x. It is tan theta. So 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Cot inverse 1 minus tan square phi upon 1 plus tan square phi. Now this is the formula of sin 2 theta. We study it in class 11th. It is formula of sin 2 theta, and it is formula of cos 2 theta. So we will write. Now sin inverse sin 2 theta will be 2 theta. Cos inverse cos 2 phi will be 2 phi. We will take 2 common here, and this 2 will cancel out. Now tan theta plus phi will left. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y will be here. We will apply formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, and tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So now question number 14 we have find the value of x when sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. So sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to, this is the value of sin pi by 2. Now on comparing, sin inverse 1 upon 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 4, pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2. Now sin inverse 1 upon 5 equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x, and pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is sin inverse x. It is, this is a formula, so we will apply. So on comparing, x is equal to 1 upon 5 will come. This is our required answer. Now question number 15. If tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is equal to pi by 2. Then find the value of x. So tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to pi by 4. Now we will take its left hand side and we will apply formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. After applying formula and simplifying, this is coming tan inverse 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 is equal to pi by 4. So tan will go here this side, so 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 is equal to tan pi by 4. 2x square minus 4 upon minus 3 is equal to 1. 2x square minus 4 is equal to 3. 2x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 upon 2. X is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 2. This will come. Now question number 16 we have find the value of sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 will equal to 2 pi by 3. So it is not in its range, so we will convert it. Sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 is equal to, we can write sin inverse sin pi minus 2 pi by 3. 180 minus theta will be sin theta, so this will come. So according to this sin inverse, on solving this, pi by 3 will come here. So this is in range of principal range. So its value will be sin inverse sin 2 pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3 will be the answer. We have to check the value is coming in range or not. If it is not coming in range, so we have to change it. So this is our required answer. Question number 18. Find the value of tan sin inverse 3 upon 5 plus cot inverse 3 upon 2. So let sin inverse 3 upon 5 is equal to x. So 3 upon 5 will be sin x. And by this formulas, cos x is equal to under root 1 minus sin square x. We will find value of cos. It is 4 upon 5. We will find value of sec. It is 5 upon 4. And we will find value of tan. After applying formula, tan will be 3 upon 4. Then x is equal to tan inverse 3 upon 4. Now sin inverse 3 upon 5 is equal to tan inverse 3 upon 4. Now sin inverse 3 upon 5 is equal to tan inverse 3 upon 4. Also cot inverse 3 upon 2 is equal to tan inverse 2 upon 3. We change in tan. Now tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus tan inverse 2 upon 3 is equal to tan inverse tan inverse. After solving it will come 17 upon 6. So 17 upon 6 is the required answer. So number 19, cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 is equal to. So cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6 will, this is not coming in range because its range is 0 to pi and it is coming more than pi. So we will convert it. So cos inverse cos 2 pi minus pi by 6. So cos inverse cos 5 pi by 6 is coming. So this is in range of principal range of cos. So this is our required answer. Now question number 20 we have. 20 is also of optional type question. Sin pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus 1 upon 2. So 4 options we have given. We will solve it. Right option will come. Sin pi by 3 will be same. Sin inverse sin 1 upon 2 will become pi by 6. And after solving sin pi by 6, it will become sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. So 1 is our answer and this is option number D is right. Now last question of this exercise, question number 21. It is also optional based question. We are solving it. Then right option will automatically come. So tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3 is equal to. So tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3. So tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse root 3, we will change it like this. So it will become tan inverse root 3 minus pi plus tan inverse minus 1 root 3 we can write. Cot inverse 1 upon root, cot inverse root 3 we can write tan inverse 1 upon root 3. So tan inverse root 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon root 3 we will apply formula and after solving it is coming pi by 2 minus 5. So minus 5 pi by 2 will be the required answer. Option number B is right. This is our required answer. So thank you very much.